Everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a MS661 Magnum. This is a West Coast, West Virginia build. This is a test chainsaw. Spark plug will be removed at the end of the video. Let me fire that up and let you listen to it. Couple things it does feature is the buckshot muffler and the max flow filter. Very nice filter system on these saws. These are an oil filter, giving the saw a lot of air, making it really perform. If you have any questions on these test chainsaws, there's a number to call, or you can ship your saw to.